Good morning, students. Today we have to start the article Hund's rule. In last article, we have seen the interaction energies of Elias coupling. We have to find the Elias coupling in four angular momentas L1, L2, S1, and S2 with six possible interaction. Today we have to see the Hund's rule. What is the rule? It is applied for only Elias states that are of all terms with the same values of L means angular momenta arising from any given electron configuration. This rule is applicable only for triplet values. In this rule, first is a term with the highest multiplicity, that is the most, or that is the highest S value, capital S value will be deepest, will lie deepest. Then second one is the term with the highest L value will lie deepest. Okay, the separation of the terms from the center of gravity term can be calculated from tau 3 plus tau 4. We have to seen in last article tau 1 to tau 6. Tau 5 and tau 6 are smaller than that vanished. Okay, the last term is tau 3 plus tau 4 is equal to 1 half capital A capital J star square minus capital L star square minus capital S star square. This is the formula of tau 3 plus tau 4, or tau 3 plus tau 4 is equal to 1 by 2 A into, split this equation, A into J into J plus 1 minus L into L plus 1 minus S into S plus 1. This is the splitting of this equation. First we have to calculate the values of S and L. In triplet S is equal to 1. We have to see in last lecture. S is equal to 1 and L is equal to 1. Therefore, the values of J is equal to 0, 1 and 2. How to arrange this value? The formula of J is equal to mod of L minus S to mod of L plus S. We have to find the value of J. What is the value of S? 1. L 1 minus 1. What is the value of this equation? 0. 2. 1 plus 1. Sorry, 0, and this is the 1 plus 1, 2. The two values are arranged 0 and 2. In between value is 1. That is the value of J. 0, 1 and 2. We have to find the first values for J is equal to 0. For the term, first one is for the term 3p0. 3 is the multiplicity factor, p is the value of S is equal to 1. That's why p, and first value J 0. Put this value in this equation, above equation. Tau 3 plus tau 4 is equal to 1 half A into, what is the value of J? First value 0 into 0 plus 1 plus second value 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. Calculate this value. 1 half into a, this value get 1. 0 into any, sorry, 0 plus 1 into 1 minus 2 minus 2. Okay, the value of this term is equal to minus 2a. So this is the 2. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. The remaining value minus 2 into a. This is the value of minus 2a. This is the first value for 0. Then second one, for the term 3p1. Put again this formula, tau 3 plus tau 4 is equal to 1 by 2 e into 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. Solve this equation. Half a into 1 plus 1, 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 minus 2. This 2 to get cancelled and this 2 get cancelled. What is the value of this equation? Minus a, only a. This is for first value, this is second value. Then you have to calculate third value. What is the value of third? The third value is for the term 3p2. Again this formula, tau 3 plus tau 4 is equal to 1 half e into, put directly value in this equation, 2 into 2 plus 1, last value is 2, minus 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. Solve this equation. 1 by 2a, 3 into 2, 6, minus 1 plus 1 into 2 minus 2 minus 2. The solution of this equation is 1 by 2a into 6 minus minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 4. The value 1 by 2a, what is the value of 2? This 2 to get cancelled. The value of plus a. This is the value of third term. Similarly, we can find the tau 3 plus tau 4 for 3d1, 2, 3 and 3f 2, 3, 4 terms. We have to calculate this term. For the singlet term, s is equal to 0 in singlet. For singlet term, s is equal to 0. Therefore, or hence, a is vanish. Okay. In similar way, all the separations shown in diagram can be calculated. The systematic representation of fine structure of PD configuration as shown in figure. In this figure, energy level attribute to N and L value of the two electrons as shown in the left. We have to see this diagram in book. This is the diagram. Fine structure separation of PD configuration in ELS coupling. These are the singlet. Singlet term 1F3, 1D2 and 1P1. Only singlet term will be arising in PD configuration. We have to calculate this triplet term. This is first one, second one and third one. This is the triplet term. This is the terms 3p0, 3p1, 3p2. This is the first term. Then second 3d3, 3d2 and 3d1. This is second term. And this is the third 3f2, 3f3 and 3f4. And this is the value we have already calculated in top 3 and top 4 equation. These values. We have to put these values. We have to find out the equation. Okay. This is the Hund's rule.